Up guys, Dr. J here. I wanted to hop on here and just quickly talk to my BJJ athletes and enthusiasts. I want to talk to you today about one thing you can do to stay injury free and stay on the mats. So one thing that you can do, and this is something that is a given, that you have to learn to drop your ego. When I first started jiu-jitsu, I didn't know too much about what was about to happen to me, but needless to say, I got my ass whooped and got it whooped pretty bad. And the reason why is because I was so focused on winning. And the thing is, in jiu-jitsu, if you are completely new to it, you will get your ass whooped because you have people who are just simply trained to know how to whoop your ass. So you have to be able to drop your ego. And your ego is basically that part of you that is telling you that you got to win, that no matter what, you have to choke this person out and you can't get beat. But guys, the thing is, if you're going against a trained fighter and someone who has been doing jiu-jitsu for a long time, you are going to lose no matter what you try to do. You could say that, you got into a lot of fights when you were growing up and this and that, but let's be real. Like, you're not going to go against a trained fighter and expect to do anything significant. So when you first hop on the mats, to stay injury free, you got to drop your ego before you go. You got to be willing to go in with a learning attitude, and you got to be humble. And that's part of the learning process in jiu-jitsu, is you have to be able to humble yourself and realize that your ego is going to get you hurt. So guys, if you do jiu-jitsu, make sure to drop your ego before you even go in. That is step number one in learning how to be injury free. Drop your ego. Guys, if you want my injury guide to jiu-jitsu to stay injury free, you can go ahead and download the link in the comments below. It's completely free, and it's an 8-step guide to help you stay injury free and to help you recover from any injuries you may have currently. So I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day.